Hello everyone and welcome back to Lake Nomad. I'm William Walker. I'm excited today. I just got a a package in from Designers. I tore into it like a kid on Christmas, so it's already opened. But what it came with is the Weedless Midwest Finesse jig, which is going to be perfect because it's for your Neds. You don't have to worry about having a weed guard or an extra component sitting in there, or if you're like me and you kind of hate having that little metal thing sticking on top of your bait. If you're finesse fishing, you don't want things just sticking out of your bait and just looking bad. So I'm really excited to have this. They go from a 16th ounce all the way up to a 1/4 ounce, so a very wide range of weights to use. And then I had to order these as well from Designers. These are the size 1 victory hooks. There's 50 of them in there. So we're gonna make 50 of them today. I definitely would love to make quite a few of them.
All right, so I have all of these cooking on the griddle. I do want to make some other stuff. I may not show it in the video. This is the Weedless Midwest Finesse with the victory hooks in it, right there in the middle. I do have some shaky heads up here, and I'm gonna do some underspins. I went fishing earlier today, and those were the best for the day. Like I caught plenty of fish on those, so I want more of those for myself. And I always need more shaky heads. I'm a shaky head throwing fanatic. But the reason we're here is for these, so. I'm not gonna try to people usually will kind of burn these a little bit with a candle, you know, put the wax layer up so they pour better. I'm gonna see what it does without doing that. See if it's even necessary, because this is so pretty. I don't wanna mess it up if I don't have to. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just pour all of them and start with this side. I believe this is the biggest one. I don't know, that didn't take very much. I warmed up the mold, so hopefully no problems here. I don't know if I got all that in the camera or not. First time opening it, and they all filled. Amazing. Wow. That is so cool. It's a little bit of flashing. I think that I may have still had a little bit of a misalignment on one of them. But they all look great. That's so cool. Cannot wait to actually throw these or paint these.
All right, so here's what we ended up with. I made a bunch of them. Figured why not. Oops, that's sticky. It's stuck right to my thumb. They turned out really nice. So easy to use, by the way. This was probably one of the easiest molds that I have to actually get a good fill every time. So that was the big 1/4. Here's one of the 1/16. And I mean, there you go. That's what it's supposed to do.
It's gonna be a really pretty color. Okay, I did flash. I was wondering, I kind of pushed hard on that. I flashed a couple, but those are gonna work just fine. And then these, I'll just, you know, it's easy to get that off of there. These aren't hard, so yeah, good color. That'll be perfect for what we're using it for.
What are you doing?
Hey, Coco.
Okay. So to rig it, you throw it just like a normal Texas rig. Maybe a little less than that. There we go. Are you on there, babe? Okay, just making sure. You're watching the dogs. You're just gonna skin hook it now. So you're gonna go through like you would a normal Texas rig. Hi, Jonah.
Oh, come on. And then you just gotta skin hook it like that.
Thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you were watching this to see, you know, how this head performs, very people playing basketball. It's very good. I love it. You guys saw the action on it. Did what it was supposed to do. Took paint very, very easily. And it also filled great, which is awesome. I didn't have to actually smoke it to actually make it usable. So, yeah, amazing to say the least. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys soon.